Hello everyone and welcome back to Retell AI Beginner Series. In the previous video, we created our Retell AI account and explore the dashboard. Now it's time to look at the most important part of the platform, which is the agent configuration panel. This is this is where you will configure almost everything about your AI voice agent, from connecting APIs and the knowledge base to customized speech call behavior security. So let's start with the first section, which is function. Function allows your AI agent to perform action outside of the conversation. So instead of only talking to customer, the AI can connect with the external sources like CRMs, like Google Sheet, like booking software like Calendar, payment gateways, or automation platform like N10 or Make. For example, AI can book an appointment, search customer records, send emails, send SMS, update database. Think of function as giving your AI ability to actually work to instead of only answering. So let's say if you go to in the add section, you can see we have some built-in. Built-in function means that it'll give you this function, so you don't have to create one. So let's say the end call, the call transfer. The agent can also transfer the call, and there is check calendar availability. That's mean when, once you connect the calendar, you can check the available slots of that and book appointment in call SMS. So you can SMS, and there is the custom function which use most, because it has only this function, so we need to create other functions. That's why we are use custom. And to create a custom function, uh, so we need to provide uh, the backend URL, where we connect it. So we will look at this later. The next is the knowledge base section. This gives your AI information answer question accurately instead of writing every answer inside your prompt. So you need to upload a document, facts, policies, general FAQs, or connect external knowledge base, or maybe connect the knowledge. So you can add the button and then go to add new knowledge base, and then here you can create it, which we have learned before. So the next is, so it basically helps the customer. When a customer asks a question, the AI sets knowledge base and respond with the relevant information. And for example, a restaurant AI can answer menu question, a dental AI can explain clinical policies. Then the third section is the speech setting. This control how AI sound during phone call. Here you can choose the voice, you can choose the response eagerness, interruption sensitivity. So when the agent is talking and customer is speaking immediately, then it will the agent will stop, and the customer and then will listen to the customer. So the response eagerness, how quickly the agent start responding after the finish. So when customer finish their sentence, so how much time later the agent responds. uh, so that's it. And so the next is we have is the real-time transcription settings. So transcription modes is basically is how the customer speech is converted into text. Every time someone speaks, it will first transcribe their voice into a text and sending into a model like brain. Here you can configure transcription behavior, language options, and different setting here. Then we have a call setting. In the call setting, control how your AI behave during a phone call, like voicemail reductions. So when in the outbound means when AI agent call the person instead of customer calling the agent. So sometime we sometime people also have a voicemail. So how is how we perform, and then IBR navigation. Then we have a different thing. The setting help create natural conversation while ensuring call behave exactly how you want. And then there is the option here, then end call on silence. So if the customer uh, stop speaking and there is no response, so how much time later the call should be end. There is a max call duration. That means uh, how much maximum the call can be. Then the ring duration. So when someone called the agent, how much time. it should be ring. And the next we have post call data extraction. Post call data extraction mean you can extract some keywords like uh, you want to extract the name of the person. So in the conversation, uh, let's say the customer say, "Oh, okay, my name is Stefan," so it will extract the Stefan. You can use add button or select like text. You can give a name here, some description, and then it will extract the name, which we will use later to update in the Google Sheet or other info. Like that, we have summary, successful sentiment, or phone number, email address, other information. And then we have some security and the webhook setting. In the webhook setting is like webhook means uh, so let's say we want to extract name and the email, and then you would define the webhook URLs. If you have heard about N10 or make.com, that will be used as a backend, and that's a no-code platform. So you give the URL here, and the name and the email will go to backend, and then uh, in the webhook event we have a setup setting. That means when the call ends, what should the call uh, uh, should have. So let's say it should run when the call end, when call analyzed. That means when the transcript or summary generate, when the call start, or there is other information. This is basically used to connect it with the backend, like no code platform like an attend. And then in the test audio, we can test it. Let's say we can run there and the call. We can test the chat agent. So we don't have anything. We will do later. And then you can see we have a cost section. How much cost? Latency. Latency means the how much. For example, if the customer say something and then it will convert it into a text and then go to LLM and where the responses generate and then back to Retell, and Retell convert it into a voice again and then hear the customer. So how much latency should be as low so that there should be a natural. Then we have a some section here like this is setting button. LLM temperature mean you can make the agent creative, but if you make more creative, that mean it will hallucinate or maybe uh, call function different function. So we make it to as low, and there is a structure of it. And then where we also have a model, we can select different models, and there is a different cost associated with it. So we have different tools like Claude. We can connect with Claude for it's like a brain, and we also have Google Gemini, ChatGPT. So that's it. In the next video, we will look at more.